Hello YouTube, I'm Selfie from DigiTube and I'm back with another video. So we're going to change this video into this. So this is the second tutorial of the Picsart photo editing series. Okay, so go to FX and then go to pop art and find Holga 2. Okay, so decrease the filter by increasing the fade and just move the left right until like this. And now take the eraser and erase the filter on your face. You can also choose your shirt, means you can erase the filter on your shirt, but I just like on the face. Okay, so now you can go to FX again, and now we can apply a filter like dodge. I like to add dodger, this one, the second filter. Just increase the fade, and now you can go to the FX tab again and you can add some noise. So increase the noise until it is visible, not too much but not too low. Now it's visible. So now you can go to the lens flare. And I checked out the whole library of lens flare, and I think the first one is the most appropriate, and no, the second one, really, the second one. Okay, click on that, and now we want this really big, like, we're gonna use this. Even this is not enough. Now this is an appropriate size. Now it should just indulge in the photo. We don't want the whole flare. You see that burn kind of effect? That's what we want. Now you can also add some other filters, like you can add the VIN filters, the VIN. Now this one looks good. You can increase the fade, and that's now according to your personal choice whether you like to add more filters or not. I can increase the contrast. But we are already done with the tutorial. Okay, now this is how the photo looks. So this was a pretty easy filter created by myself. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for videos like this. Peace out.